interconnection of a two-port networks. Now we'll see now interconnections. Interconnection of two-port networks. If I connect the two-port networks, then how to find the overall parameters? How to find the overall two parameters? We'll discuss one by one interconnection. The first interconnection I'm calling as a series interconnection. The first one I'm calling it as a series interconnection. Series interconnection means what? Port 1 is series, port 2 is also series. This is for input and this is for output, means port 1, port 2. Both ports, both sides wish to be connected series connection. Now, what we can do here? Consider I have a two networks like this. And this is my network 1 and this is the second network, and this is the another network here. Two ports here. Like this. Let us call this as the network A, and this I am calling as a network B. Fine. So here, as usual here, so this voltage we can call it as V1A I am calling, and this current I am calling it as I1A. And the same current has to be written now. This current is how much it is? I1A, and this voltage I am calling it as V2A, second port and network A, and this current I can say it as I2A, and this current is how much? Written current is also I2A. Next, this voltage I can call it as a V1B, port 1 and network B, and this current is what it is? A I1B I can say, and this one V2B, and this current is I2B. Sorry, this is the written current now. This is the written current is what it is? A I1B, and this written current is what? I2B. This is the scenario. Now, so the port A, network A will have some Z parameters. Network A has a Z parameters, and the Z matrix of this network A I am calling as ZA. And the network B also will have some Z matrix, and those things we are calling as ZB. Now we are calling it as a port 1 is series connection, port 2 also series connection. When we can say series connection, what is the condition of a series connection? Same current has to flow. Current must be same, but voltage has to divide or not. So for this, what we can say, for the same current has to flow, here what we can say here, this current I1, this current is I2, means what now? this current and this current must be same now. I1A must be equal to I1B. For this, what I am doing is I am doing this connection. Let us say I did this connection. Then what happens? I1A, this current and this current are same. I1A is equal to I1B, and I can say this is a supply for the whole thing. I can say if I call this is something completely V1, and this voltage is given as what I can say, this voltage plus this voltage, isn't it? Now how the connection now here? So same current is passing by this connection, same current is passing, but voltage is dividing or not. So what I can say, input port is a series connection and second port is also series connection only na. So for this what I can do here, so here this current and this current must be same. For that what I can do, I will do this connection, I will do this connection like this. If I do this connection, then same current will flow or not? Isn't it? And I will take these other two terminals now here like this. Now if I call this whole voltage as a V2, if I say, then this V2 which is given as what now here, V2A plus V2B, isn't it? So how the connection I can say now here, series connection now. If the two networks are connected in series condition means what the condition must be, same current has to flow. Then what we can say here, what we can say, if ZA is the Z parameters on the first network and ZD is the Z parameters of second network. Now what I am doing is I am treating this whole network as a whole thing as a single network. The complete box is single network. I want the Z parameters of this complete network. Then the Z parameters of this complete network, which is given as Z matrix, we can say overall Z matrix, yes, which is given as ZA plus ZB. Now this current is what I can say, I1A, and this current is also I1A only now. This current is I2A na. Right, and this current is I2A and this current also I2A only na, like this. Same current is same, but voltage is dividing or not? Series connection. In series connection, what we can do, the overall Z parameters is given as sum of the two Z parameters, isn't it? Next, now we'll see the